Hey guys, I'm Neha Naik and welcome to Get Curried. Today's recipe needs no introduction because it's one of our favorite side dishes, the garlic bread. It's really easy to make and I'm gonna use whole wheat flour to make it. So let's get started. In a bowl, I've taken half cup of warm milk and to this, I'll be adding around a half tablespoon of sugar. Now I'll mix it. Keep stirring until the sugar dissolves. Now to this, we'll be adding 1.5 tablespoon of dry active yeast. Again, stir the mixture. We'll set this mixture aside for around 15 minutes for the yeast to get activated. Now in a bowl, we'll sift 1 cup of wheat flour and a pinch of salt to taste. Our 15 minutes are up. Now let's pour the yeast mixture into the wheat flour. Firstly, I'll stir it with the spoon and then with the help of my hand. At this stage, we'll be adding in some chilli flakes, grated garlic and oil. Let's cover it with a cling film. You can alternatively use any cloth to cover the bowl. Now this goes for its first proofing for around 1 hour. Our 1 hour is up and the dough has proofed nicely. Let's check it. Now what we have to do is sprinkle some flour on the counter and knead the dough. We have to knead the dough for around a couple of minutes. Now we have to form a round shape of the dough and then roll it out. Our dough has been rolled out. Next, we'll be adding in cheese in this. So what we have to do is basically, we have to fold the dough in half. So I'll be adding cheese in 1/2 of the circle. I'm using cheese slices, but you can also use grated cheese. Make sure you put all the cheese in the center of the dough because when we fold the other half, we need to pinch the sides. We are doing this to ensure that the cheese doesn't ooze out while baking. While doing so, if you find that there is some air trapped underneath the dough, take a toothpick and just prick. Now we need to carefully pick up the dough and place it upside down on the prepared baking tray. We need to keep this for proofing for around 15 minutes. This is the second rise. Cover it again with a cloth or a cling film. We'll set this aside and now we'll move on to making the butter mixture. For this, I've taken around a tablespoon of chopped coriander and to this I'll be adding a tablespoon of butter. Take the butter at room temperature and now we'll microwave it. Our butter mixture is ready. Now let's check on the dough. The dough is ready. Now what we'll do is, we'll put the butter mixture onto the dough. With the help of a brush, let's just spread it. Now on this, we'll sprinkle a mixture of oregano and garlic powder. You can add any other mixed herbs that you want. Now with the help of a knife, I'll just make some small gashes on the top of the bread. Make sure you don't cut the dough all the way down. These are just markings that we need to make. I've already preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and now this goes in for baking for around 15 to 20 minutes. So our whole wheat garlic bread is ready. Next time you feel like having one, try out this recipe and let us know in the comment section below. For such easy baking recipes, stay tuned to Get Curried.